In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Prestashop for specific pages only using a free Prestashop CSS module. This is a fantastic way to tailor the appearance of your site on a page-by-page basis without altering the entire theme. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to log into your Prestashop admin panel. Open your web browser and navigate to your shop's domain. Use the admin URL to access the login page. You'll see the fields for email and password, so go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you've filled in your details, click on Login to access the backend of your Prestashop site. This is your central hub for managing your store, and it's where all the fun customization begins. Once you're in the back office dashboard, you want to direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. From there, click on Modules. This section is crucial as it houses all your site's modules, including those for customizing CSS. Inside the modules area, you'll want to select Module Manager. This will direct you to a page where you can manage existing modules or add new ones. Now, scan through your Module Manager for a feature labeled Custom CSS. If you already have this module, that's great. Simply click on it and you can start adding your custom CSS specifically for the page you'd like. This can include anything from changing font styles to adjusting layout colors, anything to give a specific page the unique look and feel it requires. But what if you don't see a custom CSS module in your current setup? Well, no worries. Head over to the marketplace, which is also located in the module area. Once you're there, use the search bar to locate a custom CSS module. You'll find options that are either free or premium depending on your needs or budget. After finding a suitable module, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. With the module added to your list, go back to your module manager. Here, you can now start customizing CSS for individual pages. Remember, adjusting CSS for specific pages only allows you to maintain your site's overall design uniformity, while also enabling flexibility and creativity for particular elements or sections as required. And there you have it. Adding custom CSS to individual pages in Prestashop using a module is a straightforward process that opens up a world of design possibilities. Whether you're tweaking the appearance for a seasonal sale or simply experimenting with a new layout design, this approach helps you keep your site engaging and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!